Children, open page number 126. Now let's get into the topic, how many times 2. Why here is written 2? Do you think? You can see here pair of chicks. Okay, look at here. So we can also say there are two chicks. There are two chicks in each pair. That's why here is written 2. Okay. Children, in this picture we have 10 rows and 10 columns. You can count 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And same way there are 10 columns. Okay. In each row and each column we have pair of chicks. Look at here, children. Now, by seeing this picture, we will answer of this blank. Let's see first one. 1 time 2. That means you can see the first row, children. Here, pair of chicks came only one time. Similarly, you can see the second row. Here, pair of chicks. That means two chicks came only two times. That's why here is written 2 times 2. Okay. So first we will see this question. 1 time 2 is 2. Or as I said, time or times means multiplication, right? So instead of time we can write here 1 multiplied by 2. That means 1 into 2. So table everybody's know 1 2s are 2. So we can say there are 2 chicks in first row, right? Similarly, here 2 times 2. So in the second row we have 2 pairs of chicks. Okay, so we say 2 times 2. It is also called 2 into 2. That is 2 2s are 4. Okay. So we can say there are 4 chicks in second row. Similarly, there are 6 chicks. That means 3 times 2. Here is 3 times 2. Why it is written 3 times 2? Look at here, third row. Pairs, 3 pairs of chicks. That means 3 times came. 1, 2, 3. So 3 times 2 is 6, or we can say 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now let's see here 4 times 2. So children, you try to do what we say here, 4 times 2. Look at the fourth row. Here coming pair of chicks 4 times. Look at here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So we can, instead of that we can say 4 into 2. That means 4 2s are 8. So what will be answer here? 4 times 2 is 8, right? Same way you can do the fifth row, 5 times 2. So this is for you children. You will try to do yourself. 5 times 2 is, what will come? You will say, or 5 into 2 is equal to 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. So here we can say there are 10 chicks in fifth row, right? So you will write here 10. Similarly, you will write here answer 6 times 2 is. So here you have to write answer. Now let's see the next question. Here is dash times 2. So children, did you observe here 1 time, that is first row, 2 times second row, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. So what will come here? After 6 is 7 times. So you will write here 7 times. 7 times 2 is, so here you have to write answer yourself, right? Now let's see the last one, children. Here what will come? Just think. Children, you all know after 9 we get 10. In the 10th row we have 10 pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we can say in each pair we have 2 checks. Okay. So we can write here 10 times 2 means 10 twos are 20. Okay. So children, in 10th row we have total 20 chicks. I hope you understood this concept. So children, first you complete this blanks and show me. Thank you.